Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad bin Azrai bin Muhammad Nasir. So today I'm going to explain about Einstein photoelectric theory. When a photon is shined to a metal surface, the photon energy will be fully absorbed therefore by the electron in the metal. The total photon energy is used to release the electron from the metal surface. And sometimes the extra energy will become the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. So what is photoelectron? Photoelectron is an electron that is emitted from the metal surface caused by the photon energy. So from this theory, Einstein came up with an equation which is for the electron on the metal surface, its photon energy is equal to the minimum energy required to release the photoelectron plus its kinetic energy. So the minimum energy required to release the electron is called a work function. So this is the formula that Einstein came up from the theory. So let us try to answer this question. If a photon of a wavelength 5 to 5 nanometer hit metallic cesium with a work function of 3.43 exponent -19, what is the velocity of the photoelectron produced? So firstly, we list down all the information given, which is the wavelength is equal to 5 to 5 nano is exponent 19 meter. The work function equal to 3.43 exponent -19 joule. Sorry, this is -9. And what is the velocity? We need to find the velocity of the photoelectron. So since we know that E is equal to H over F, H times F, where H is the Planck constant and F is the frequency, and we also know that F is equal to C over lambda. So from these two equations we can find the value of E. E is equal to H times C over lambda. This is the formula to find the total energy of the photon. So let us find the total energy. E equal to H times C over lambda. H is a Planck constant, which the value of H is 6.626 exponent -34 times C. C is the speed of light, which is 2.998 times 10 power of 8, and the lambda from the question we get 5 to 5 exponent -9. So we plug in all the value into the calculator. 6.626 exponent -34 times 2.998 exponent 8 divided by 525 exponent -9. It's actually -9, sorry. So the answer is 3.78 times 10 power of -19 joule. The question asks for the velocity, so we need to take this value E is equal to 3.78 times 10 joule into this formula. Is equal to work function plus heat kinetic energy. find the velocity of the photoelectron produced. So we arrange the equation into its kinetic energy equal to photon energy minus its work function. So we plug in the mass of the electron, which is 9.11 exponent negative 31 times V squared equal to the total energy of the photon, 3.78 exponent negative 19 minus the work function of the CCN, 3.43 exponent negative 19. Then we get half equal to 9.11 exponent negative 31 V squared equal to 3.5 times 10 negative 20 joule. So we need to find the V. So we just rearrange back all the equation into V squared equal to 3.5 exponent negative 20. So here is divided by 2, so we bring that to the other side. It will times 2 and divided by the m. M is the mass of electron, which is 9.11 times 10 power of negative 31. So the final answer is, we need to square root. We need to square root this side because we have square on the other side. So this square can be crossed over. So the final answer will be V equal to 2.8 times 10